In the beginning, we had the first week during Pesach, a week of love and chesed and kindness. Then we moved to the week of Gevurah. And now we are concluding. The whole week we were talking about this strength within me. Yesterday I was saying that the strength is hidden and everybody has this powerful Gevurah in them that the majority of people don't even know their capabilities. The majority of people don't even know how much strength they have. Very sad, you see many people that in their 60s, 70s and 80s, that's when they figure out what's their strength. And I'm saying very sad because you want to figure that out as soon as possible. Doesn't matter right now, it's never too late, of course. I know people who do tshuva in their 70s and 80s. But nevertheless, you want to come very quickly to understand what is my strength. And the only reason is because I need to give it over to the world. And here I'm using the word strength, but we can use other words such as talents, such as gifts, such as certain things that you really, really love to do and you're really, really good at. You can title it however you want, but when Hashem gave you a certain gift, it's not for you, it's to give it out. And I said that every person is a king, but what's called bezeir anpin, a mini king. Not a king of the country or a king of a land. Zeir anpin means a mini, a small thing. What does it mean? In my home, I'm the king of the home. Right? There's no other husband in the home. I am the man in the home, let's hope. And then there's the wife and the kids. And in my congregation, I might be the rabbi of the congregation. And in the class, I'm the teacher. And in the business, I'm the boss, or I'm the manager, or whatever it is. But everybody is a king in a zeir anpin, in a small way. What does it mean? It means that people depend on me. It means that people need me. Either my kids need me. A lot of people say, listen, if you are a president of a big company, I understand thousands of people depend on you. You're a great general, whatever it is. But what if I'm a simple individual? I'm a mother for 3 kids. I'm a father that just goes to work in the morning. Even if one person is depending on you, you're already a king. The reality is, whether you acknowledge it or not, many people depend on you. It doesn't have to be your kids. It doesn't have to be your workers. It can be even your neighbors and people that depend on you to give them charity, to teach them, to help them, to give them some time a day, whatever it is. You can do both. You can be both things. Some mentors, rabbis, whatever it is, will choose to I'm only affecting the 10 students around me, but I'm giving them all I have. And then I'm affecting them in a very profound way. Some will say, no, I can't, I don't go for 10 students. I have 50,000 students. I don't even know the majority of them. But nevertheless, I shoot to all directions and many people get affected, but they're affected and not in such a profound way. So somebody sent me that message, what do I prefer? I think the person was trying to get me to say, yeah, a few people and okay, now be my personal trainer. But nevertheless, it's not the quantity, it's the quality. It doesn't matter how many people depend on you, even if it's one person, but nevertheless you have responsibility.